Nice 66 Mustang. Very clean. It's for sale. Here's a phone number. Oh, I love that color of that interior. No door handles. Shaved. Nice convertible top. Oh, looks like a 4-speed on the floor. That is nice. Oh, I love them Shelby lights. Alright, look at them tail lights. It's pretty awesome. He's got all kinds of stuff done to this thing. He's replaced the entire floor on the whole car. Look at all that brand new carpet. Look at the nice door panels. A brand new interior, brand new top, brand new engine. Meticulously put together, you can tell. So he's got a fiberglass hood. He's got the Shelby front end and the Shelby tail lights on the back. It's a good looking car. Definitely, if you're interested, he's asking around $43,000. It's a full restoration, full build. He's done it all. So you'll have to give him a call if you're interested in it. That looks sweet. Look how good everything looks in here. It's got digital gauges. Look at the steering column. I mean, everything. Look at the stereo system.